Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Subaru Sambar van. It boasts of 48,429 original miles. It is 4x4 all-wheel drive. This van has a water-cooled Subaru non-interference 4-cylinder with an automatic transmission. It does come with 4 doors and also a rear hatch. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. Sorry about that. Had to push the gear shifter in. All right, as y'all can see, the lights did go away. This vehicle also comes in kilometers, not miles. That number is 77,941. The miles on it again is 48,429. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicle across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd love to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.